Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Market Intel 101. I'm Frank Krebs, and I'm here today to discuss a bonus opportunity for you folks. And you may wonder why bonus. Well, in this episode, I'm going to show any of your product manufacturers, your resellers, or retail operations how you can find commercial or business-to-business leads using our Market Intel database. Now, typically, we're talking government contracts here when we're using Market Intel. But today, I'm going to show you how, if you sell products, manufacture products, or resell, or have a retail store, how you can get leads on commercial business opportunities. So if you want to go on Market Intel to the main menu and go to the B2B business to business section and look under commercial prospecting. At this point, you're going to either input a zip code and a radius around that zip code, or you can input a state. For this purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a state. And how about the state of Maryland? All right. Now, I could input a business type, for example, 8A, hub zone, small disadvantaged business, woman-owned, etc. But I'm going to leave that part blank for right now. What I want to do, though, is look for the NAICS or NICS code for a particular type of business. And I'm going to look based on what I sell. So for example, if I sell cleaning supplies, I sell other type of supplies that a janitorial firm would need to handle some of their business, I can look out here and I can click on this search. And right here I can put in a keyword. For example, I'm going to put in janitorial. It's going to help me find the NAICS code. So if I look right here, janitorial services, I can see that code is 561720, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. It will populate that into the field here for NAICS code. Now, step 3, in addition to the businesses, I can also look for any, say, hospitals, nursing homes, universities, or prisons also within that region, in this case, the state of Maryland. So why not include hospitals and nursing homes? You know they do a lot of work relative to keeping those entities as clean as they can possibly make it and keep it sanitized. So we'll include that today. And I'm going to go ahead and hit search. Now, the results that are displayed, these are going to be all of the businesses, and you will notice they're all within the state of Maryland, that operate under the NAICS code for janitorial services. These would be companies that a manufacturer or business involved with cleaning supplies, cleaning equipment, etc., would want to market to. So these are the folks, email-wise, you would want to be sending emails to. Here's phone numbers you may want to reach out to see if these folks would be interested in any of the product offerings that you have. For example, you can also reach out, you can look over here, you can click on the view details, and I can get more information on this particular company. I can go to view FBO, FPDS and see if this company's won any federal contracts. Now they haven't, but that doesn't mean they're not doing janitorial work, and mostly within the state of Maryland, or at least maybe Maryland, DC, and Virginia. So these are the folks you would want to reach out to. Additionally, I can export this entire file to Excel, and it will download up here. And once it finishes, I can open up an Excel spreadsheet that I could use so that I could send emails, maybe an email blast, or send a file for emails to all of these vendors. And if you look, there's over almost 3,500 in this particular case. This is just in the state of Maryland. All right. If you want to start doing something nationwide, you're certainly within your right to do so. But there's almost 3,500 just in the state of Maryland. Okay. So keep that in mind. This is a way that you can use market intel to assist your business in addition to just going out and doing your research on government contracts or finding government contracting officers, etc. Another thing you can do, you can create the email list. I like using the commercial prospecting because then I can make sure the list is correct before doing the email list. However, you can come here. It's got the same functionality. You click here for NAICS code. Maybe I want to look at some type of remodeling because maybe I sell lumber construction products. So if I look here for remodeling, here, construction management and residential remodeling, 236118. I can come here. I can again put in a zip code. I'm going to put in 20211. I'll put in 50-mile radius. And I'm not going to put in a set aside, but I'm going to hit search. This immediately downloads a Excel file, all right, that is called marketing emails, but has the same information as the one a few minutes ago. All right, it's going to have your contact email. All right, but guess what? It also has phone numbers. It has fax numbers. It has their address. You can see just how close they are to your business. And again, in this case, it gave me 1,200, almost 1,300 businesses. In this case, within a 50-mile radius of the zip code I entered. All right. So this is just another way to get at commercial entities that you may want to market to. All right. Keep in mind, it's very simple. You can find the NAICS code you want by using a keyword, and then you just put in your zip code and a radius. All right. The commercial prospecting allows you to also put in a state if you'd like, rather than do the zip code. All right. It also will give you information on any hospitals, nursing homes, universities, or state prisons that are within that search criteria, be it a zip code or a state. All right. So remember, folks, this is a bonus for those of you who use the Market Intel database. Go ahead and use this. Can't hurt. Any business is good business, and if you can sell your products, your equipment, your supplies to folks who are doing other government work, more power to you, and the great benefit this will be to all of you. So remember, I'm Frank Krebs. This is Market Intel 101, and I hope you enjoyed today's session. Have a great day, folks.